Hi guys, welcome to my channel for solving this nice math Olympiad algebra equation x plus y equals to 6 and xy equals to 36. So now let's start our solution. First of all, we take x plus y equals to 6 as equation 1 and xy equals to 36 as equation 2. Now we write our equation 1 as x plus y equals to 6 and we have to found value of y from here as y equals to x 6 minus x. Now we put this value in our equation 2 as x into 6 minus x equals to 36. When this x would multiply with this bracket value, it would become 6x minus x square equals to 36. Now when we rearrange this equation, it would become x square minus 6x plus 36 equals to 0. We have to take this negative value of x square in the right side and it would become positive x square, and this positive 6x would become negative 6x when it goes to the right side. Now we have to apply quadratic formula here to solve this equation as, and here our a is equals to 1, b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 36. Now as we know that our quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a, and now let's put all these values in this equation as minus 6 plus minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 36 over 2 into 1. Now we have to solve this quadratic formula as x equals to minus plus 6 plus minus square root 36 minus 4 into 36 over 2. Now we can see that in the square root 36 is common, so we can write it as 6 into plus minus 36 1 minus 4 over 2. Now as we can see that x equals to 6 plus minus square root of 36 is 6 and 1 minus 4 is minus 3 over 2. X equals to 6 plus minus 6 square root 3 and minus 1 over 2, and we can write it as iota 6 plus minus 6 into square root 3 iota over 2. When we separate these terms, it would become 6 over 2 plus minus 6 square root 3 iota over 2. Now we have to solve it as 2 3s are 6, 3 plus minus similarly 2 3s are 6, 3 into square root 3 iota, and this is our value of x. Now we have to verify either this value of x verifies our given equation or not. So now let's put it in our given equation. Y equals to 6 minus x. First of all, we put it in the value of x positive as 6 minus 3 into plus 3 square root 3 iota, and it would become 6 into minus 3 into square root 3 iota, and y equals to 3 minus 3 into square root 3 iota. This is the value of y when our x is x equals to 3 plus 3 into square root 3 iota. This is the value of y. Now we put the negative value of x as y equals to 6 minus x, y equals to 6 minus x, 3 minus 3 into square root 3 iota, and it would become 6 minus 3 plus 3 into square root 3 iota, and it would become y equals to 3 plus 3 into square root 3 iota. This is again the value of y when our x is equals to 3 minus 3 into square root 3 iota. So we can say that our x value is this and y is this. Similarly, these are the xy values. Now we have to put it in our equation 1, that was x plus y equals to 6, and our value of x is here 3 plus 3 into square root of 3 iota, and value of y is 3 minus 3 into square root 3 iota equals to 6. This negative value cancels with this one, and 3 plus 3 would become 6 equals to 6. So we can say that these xy values verifies our equation 1. Similarly, when we put this value of xy in our equation 1, it would become x value is 3 minus 3 into square root 3 iota, and y value is 3 plus 3 into square root 3 iota equals to 6. Similarly, this value cancels with this one, and 3 plus 3 would become 6 equals to 6. So we can say that both these values of x, y verifies our given equation 1, and these are solution set for x, y values. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.